This is the part 2 of analytic part. Alright, and in the previous video we did all the pre-setups. Only we need to run and submit our program inside the EMR cluster. Okay, so before that don't forget to save it file. So click Ctrl S, or I will suggest to save from here. Save. Okay, now again go to our this configuration service configuration file. So we already did all the setups of this. Now go to instance, it is already selected. Click to connect, and all the steps keep as a default. Click on connect, then it will launch our EMR cluster. Okay, basically we are launching our EC2 instance that is created by that our EMR cluster. So right now we are inside the EMR. Now type ls. So nothing is that. Current working directory pwd. Okay, so right now we are inside the root. Okay, and so we have connected through the root. Copy your files to the EMR cluster. So we need to run this python emr underscore copy.py, copy it inside our local project directory, that is VS Code. Alright, so click on terminal, new terminal. Okay, and just paste it, that command python emr underscore copy.py. Okay, underscore it's not showing, but due to this black theme. Okay, click enter, then it will start to submit our this file on the EMR cluster. So all the files and directories have been uploaded successfully. Now go back to our EC2 instance and check this service configuration. Okay, so we successfully run this command inside our local directory project. Okay, and we already set up that PEM file in our last video. I will show you once again. You can see this EMR underscore spark PM, it should be in our current working directory folder. Okay, so that is already present. Now set up Spark on EMR cluster. So give cd home Hadoop. Okay, give this command inside our EMR cluster, paste it, pwd ls python setup jar files scala. Now what we are looking, so we are looking this, run the setup.sh file inside the home Hadoop setup directories. Okay, so right now we are inside the Hadoop directory. We need to enter inside the setup directory, cd and set up. Okay, we already inserted. Now ls, so we can find this setup sh here. Now just we require to run this. This is the command bash setup.sh, paste it, enter. Requirement already satisfied. You can see SBT setup completed successfully. MySQL jar setup. Okay, dependency setups completed successfully. And now we are ready to submit our final challenge code. So we did this. Okay, and they also mention note if SBT or PySpark does not run. Source, this is not required because our all the things are running. So submit your Spark application. Okay, we are using Spark in this. So navigate to Python directory. Now we need to return back to Python directory. So right now we first clear this, clear pwd. So right now we are inside the setup cd dot 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 then ls. So Python is here, cd python, enter, then ls. So this is our challenge.py and we need to submit. Go to service configuration, copy this spark hyphen submit challenge.py and paste here, enter. So now this will start to submit our challenge.py. It will take some time, so let's wait. So starting read data, avoid this fail to load class. Okay, and starting clean data. Okay, starting result 1, starting result 2. So these are indicating that we are going well, no issue. And loading result to data, that is the final output that we need to cross check. So right now it is loading into RDS and loading data S3 bucket. Okay, now all the things are done. Okay, we did it. Now you can submit it, but let me show you one thing, like a final output. You can see this submit your application. We submit it. After Spark submit, check output. So where we should check our output? So in the first part, I have set up this connection, MySQL Workbench. Okay, e-commerce connection. It is available here. So right now this is the administrator, and click this right arrow. You can see dev because our database name is dev. Now we just need to check that data is inserted or not. So select all from, now table name result result underscore 2. Okay, control A, run. It is running, fetching the data, and now you can see educational 0.24, all others 0.2, and all the things are here. And now go to that problem statement. Where is this is problem statement? You can see this task 5 result 2 sample output. Okay, sample output. So column name is purpose and default rate, and these are the values. Let me check. So purpose, default rate, okay, and values are educational 0.24, that is correct. So all right, we did it successfully. We have successfully completed our analytic parts of T15 Cloud Analytics. Okay, and now you can submit it, no issue. We did it, all our work. Okay, don't minimize anything, just directly submit it. Okay, and once you submit it, so you will see on your eyeball, like you will bypass this, like Frescoplay challenge will completed. I would like to show the coding part once again. So we have the function one read data, okay, and this is our bucket name. So this is our function number one, spark.read, and file type is CSV, and these are the parameters, okay. And this is our function number two, clean data. So we drop that things and drop duplicates. So first we drop the null values and drop duplicates. Then we apply one filter. Okay, so function 2 was completed. Now function 3 S3 load data. So we again mention our bucket name here and just type the predefined that we need to write our CSV file inside this bucket. So this is the code, all right, and mode equal to overwrite. So you can also resubmit it into many time. Now comes our def result one. All right, so first we apply this filter purpose equals to educational or purpose equals to small business. Then we write one column that is income to installment ratio and we apply this mathematical operation. This is our second column that we have created in this, and this is the mathematical operation using when condition, and this is the third one column, high risk borrower, and we also apply the other things using the when condition, okay. And now this is very important, result 2. So we apply this some SQL functions grouped by aggregators and we round the value of the two digits, okay. And in this scenario we are using we are working on RDS and doing with our IDE, that is Workbench. So we connected all the things here. This is predefined endpoint, so this is our endpoint here till now, okay. And username is admin, password is AWS user1, and our target table is result2, okay. So this is the result2 and this is the data, okay. So now you can submit it, and thank you very much for watching this session. I hope you definitely learn more the things with the clarity. And if you want ML dedicated course like Frescoplay T15's ML coding challenge, so please comment. I will definitely provide that also.